Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to lesson 10-1. We're going to be looking at angles. We're measuring angles. Okay, an angle, also as you'll notice, this is how it's notated when it's in writing, is a figure formed by two rays. This is with a common endpoint. So we have two rays with a common endpoint that come together to make a vortex. The vortex of an angle is the point of intersection of the two sides of an angle. We use this symbol to indicate that we measure in degrees, and the tool that we use to measure angles is called a protractor. Let's watch how to use a protractor. Notice it's sliding it so that's level with that line, and then they're going to bring it down all the way over so that that center is in the center of this circle. This is lined up with this line and it's at the center. That's very key information, and when we're reading this, we're going to read from the bottom straight line up. So we start with small numbers and we increase. So this time we're going to read the numbers inside the light blue right here, and when we measure up, we see that we're halfway between 40 and 50. So we know that the measure of A, B, C is 45 degrees. Please note B means that it's the vortex or it's the middle of this angle. So that's how you can identify it. Is it's in the middle, so it's the vortex, the way the 2 points come together. Again, we start at the bottom and we increase when we read. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the next. Okay, we're watching this one also, and they're going to place this over. See, they're still sliding it. They're lining it up so that these lines all go together. Then they have that in the center, and they're going to be reading from the bottom up. So when we read this, we see that we are going to be 60 degrees. Please note that there are several ways we can actually label this angle. We can call it angle ABC. We can call it angle B because of the vortex, or we may put a number in there sometimes, and such as this, and ask you to tell us the measure of angle 1. So make sure that you understand that there are several ways to reference this. Okay, they want us to actually practice using this. So we're going to pick this up and we're going to move it, and maybe, yeah, if I can figure out how to grab it. I grabbed it there. I need to have that towards the middle. I need to slide this so that is lined up. I'm looking here. I'm looking here to see if I am in line, and I think that I am. So starting from the lowest number up, I would say angle 1 is 10 degrees. What I'm doing is, let me see if I can grab a pen. I go from here to here, and I see that was 10 degrees. So I can say the measure of angle 1, and M means measure, is 10 degrees. Okay, I need a measure for angle 2 now, and angle 2 is this. So I'm going to grab a hold of this, and I need to find where that approximate vortex is there, and then I need to angle this down. Okay, and if I'm looking, this line needs to be in line, and so does this. I need to come here a little, up and over. Okay, that's really close to being in the middle, and this is straight. So now I'm going to read this from the lowest to highest. So I'm starting down here because this is where my lowest number is, and I'm going to follow that all the way around until I come to my line again, and I see that measure angle 2 is approximately 60 degrees. Wait, that was 160, wasn't it? Hopefully you guys caught that. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, one of the magic words for today we'll say is ski. So the magic word is ski to get your video points. Thank you.